Ever get a PDF form you need to fill out like a registration or agreement? Instead of printing it out or using a laptop, you can just use your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to type directly on the PDF. Here's how to insert text into a PDF using Samsung Note and make it look clean and professional. Let's say you receive a PDF and you need to write your name and number on it. First, open Samsung Note app. Tap the PDF file you want to edit. Tap on the spot where you want to insert text. Type your text. To make the text look neat and align with the rest of the document, you can adjust the text size so it matches the original text in the PDF. You can also adjust the placement by adjusting the text indent or adjusting the text size above or below the line until it fits perfectly. After editing, tap the back key to automatically save the change. Now your PDF is ready to send with your text cleanly added in the right place. Given to the function, you can use this feature when you need to insert some information, fill out form, sign document or leave note, and you want it to look tidy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.